Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is often celebrated for its contributions to healthy hair, skin, and nails, a reputation that has made it a staple ingredient in beauty supplements. But its real significance lies far deeper in the body, where it performs essential metabolic roles that are foundational to energy production, gene regulation, and nervous system function. Far from being a vanity vitamin, biotin is a vital coenzyme that helps unlock energy from food and maintain steady physiological balance across multiple systems. At the core of biotin's importance is its role as a cofactor for several carboxylase enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for catalyzing crucial metabolic reactions, particularly those involving the breakdown and conversion of macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, into usable energy. For instance, one such enzyme, pyruvate carboxylase, depend on biotin to help convert pyruvate, a product of glucose metabolism, into oxaloacetate, a critical step in the Krebs cycle, which is the body's primary energy-generating process. Without biotin, this metabolic will slows down, which can lead to fatigue, sluggishness, or poor glucose control. Biotin is also essential in the metabolism of fats. It activates acetyl-CoA carboxylase, which is involved in the synthesis of fatty acids. This is not only important for energy storage, but also for maintaining the integrity of cell membranes and producing signaling molecules. In this way, biotin supports both the structure and function of every cell. It helps the body switch efficiently between using glucose or fatty acids as fuel, depending on current energy demands, a process known as metabolic flexibility. This is especially important for those on low-carb or ketogenic diets, where fat becomes the primary fuel source. Without adequate biotin, fat metabolism can become impaired, leading to symptoms like muscle cramps, irritability, or brain fog. Protein metabolism is another area where biotin shines. It helps regulate the breakdown of amino acids like leucine, a key building block for muscle maintenance and recovery. This makes biotin particularly relevant for active individuals or anyone with increased protein needs, including children, pregnant women, and people recovering from illness. In these cases, biotin supports both the conversion of amino acids into energy and their use in tissue repair and growth. Biotin's role in gene regulation is also noteworthy. It binds to histones, the structural proteins that package DNA, influencing which genes are expressed or silenced. This epigenetic function allows biotin to play a role in controlling inflammation, cell growth, and immune responses. While these mechanisms are still being studied, they point to biotin's involvement in long-term health and disease prevention far beyond the surface-level effects on skin or hair. Despite biotin's widespread presence in many foods, deficiencies can occur, particularly in individuals who consume large amounts of raw egg whites over time, since egg whites contain avidin, a protein that binds to biotin and prevents its absorption. Other risk groups include people with chronic alcohol use, those on long-term anticonvulsant or antibiotic therapies, and individuals with conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, which can impair nutrient absorption. Symptoms of deficiency often include fatigue, skin rashes, brittle nails, thinning hair, and in more serious cases, neurological issues like tingling, confusion, or depression. Fortunately, most people can meet their biotin needs through a balanced diet. Rich natural sources include egg yolks, liver, salmon, sunflower seeds, almonds, peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes. Whole grains and legumes also contain modest amounts. For those following plant-based diets, incorporating foods like mushrooms, avocados, and nutritional yeast can help maintain sufficient biotin levels. It's also worth noting that a healthy gut microbiome produces some biotin on its own, further highlighting the link between digestive health and nutrient status. While biotin supplements are popular for hair and nail health, excess intake isn't necessarily better. High doses haven't been consistently shown to improve outcomes unless someone is already deficient. Moreover, large amounts can interfere with certain lab tests, including those measuring thyroid hormones, troponin, used in heart attack diagnosis, and others, potentially leading to misdiagnosis if not disclosed to healthcare providers. Still, as part of the broader B vitamin family, biotin works in harmony with other nutrients like B2, B3, B5, and magnesium to support mitochondrial function and maintain the body's energy equilibrium. This coordination helps ensure that energy from food is released steadily and used efficiently across tissues, whether in the brain, muscles, or skin. In essence, biotin is far more than a beauty aid. It is a key player in the orchestration of metabolism, supporting the body's ability to adapt to dietary shifts, fuel itself appropriately, and repair at the cellular level. By understanding and appreciating its metabolic impact, we can move past the surface level hype and recognize biotin for what it truly is, a foundational nutrient for total body vitality.